Tell me about yourself and your company.
So I'm Abhishek Tikmani. I look after this business of Arvind Envisol, which is a 100% subsidiary of Arvind Limited, a textile major. We are into environment solutions, so water is our primary focus right now. But going forward, we might get into air and soil as well, the other two elements of the nature and the environment. So water business we started in 2011. 2015 onwards, we actually went out in the market, by providing complete solutions. As of today, we are into complete set of projects for whether effluent treatment plant, sewage treatment plant, ultra pure water treatment plant. Plus, we are also into now component business as well as O&M business. Basically, we offer full stack of services to our customers. Our specialization actually lies into reverse osmosis and zero liquid discharge. That's where our core and what customers would count us on now.
What are the new innovations you are bringing today in this exhibition?
So in this exhibition, there are multiple things. So one, we have very high recovery reverse osmosis system, which can reduce your quantity of effluent going to zero liquid discharge evaporator system, thereby reducing both your capital cost and operating cost. We have a non-clog diffusers, which are again state of the art. Conventional diffusers offer 2 to 3 years of lifetime. We offer 20 years warranty on that diffusers. So a lot of hassles for operator will be gone away with that. Then we have state of the art again MBR, membrane bioreactor systems, which other players have, but ours are little low fouling systems. So very efficient for effluent treatment plants. These are 3 new products.
Do you facing any challenges in India?
I mean, India is the most growing country right now. So challenge is how to cope up with that growth and customer demand.
So you have any future vision?
I mean, lots to do. I think in terms of solving problems of our customers. Customers have problem not only with their effluent, but also with space available with them. The timelines, everyone wants to do as fast as possible with maintenance and upkeep for next 10-15 years, so warranties. So a lot of problems that consumers come to us and then we have to solve for those problems. Thankfully, so far we have been able to address a lot of them, but long way to go. Customers demand now that give me a box where water gets treated. We have series of stages by which water gets treated right now. Just give me a box where I put in the water, dirty water, clean water comes out. So we're working on some of those solutions also. But yes, lot of things to do in wastewater treatment.
You want to say something to our viewers and your customer?
No, I think water, wastewater, or water in sense, people say it is the next big thing. So while we treat it for you, but a request to everyone is use water consciously, whether it is at home, whether it is in your office, or whether in your factories. Water will be one of our precious resources, and we should all join hands together to save it and preserve it.
Thank you so much for your precious word.
Thank you. Thank you.